Here's Julie with her new bike. Currently, she just wants to push it. So that'll change soon. Hey, thanks, Nana. Thanks, Gramp. You love it? Cheese. Good job. Whoa.
Okay, I'll push it. Big break.
I know, I'm sorry I missed it. Here she comes, off-roading. Alright, Julie, say thanks, Nana. Thanks, Grandpa. I'm stuck.
Thanks, later. Seems to move when I get on it. Put your feet up. Good job.
Good job. Woo!
Put them on the bag. Say bye to the camera. Okay, there we go. Ready? Hi, Nana.
Bye-bye.
Where you going?